Well, I mean, everything needed to be replaced on the outside. I mean, it was the old school asbestos shingles, and the underneath were just plywood that was painted. So, it's quite a bit of difference, very drastic. They replaced my windows, and then they also redid my siding, and then they're getting ready to redo my roof and my gutters. Oh, they were great. Actually, the crew that put up the siding was ran by a veteran, really personable guy, really nice. Actually came buddies out of the deal. Oh, I mean, just the outside is just completely different. I mean, it's night and day from what it looked like. I've had a few people that walk around the block and have commented that we're doing a lot of work and everything looks nice. So, oh yeah, and I just tell them that they're really easy to work with, and everything's laid out right in front of you. There's no hidden fees, nothing like that. Everyone that we've worked with has been really personal and really nice. First, it was uninsurable, and now it is. So that's a big key.